Good morning, sir. Myself Nikhil Pandey, and I am from GC Godhra, Civil Engineering Department, first year. And I am today going to explain Meissner effect. So, see the definition of Meissner effect. In 1933, this effect was discovered by Sir Walter Meissner and Robert Osenfeld and J.K. Onnes. And the scientists are stated that the expulsion of a magnetic field from a superconductor during its transition to the superconducting state when it is cooled below the critical temperature. It explained that the magnetic field which is expelled due to the metallic plate of superconductor, and in this transition state when it comes in contact with a superconducting state, and it is must to cool the metal with the very cool temperature which is known as critical temperature. And then we see the superconductor, which is the important topic of this chapter. In superconductor, the current flows without power, means without any resistance is fully vanished, and current flows easily. TC, critical temperature is that temperature where we can create any of the material to its superconducting state, and TC must be less than TC. And in this magnetic field phenomenon, when magnetic field are leviate to the spherical surface of superconductor, it easily passed away with the magnetic field which is above TC. The temperature of material is greater than TC, so it is easily passed. And the second case, in when below TC, the material's temperature is below TC, T is less than TC, it will not pass easily, it will expelled due to the superconducting properties. So see an experiment which is performed by J.K. Onnes in 1933, where he take a beaker with highly cooled liquid nitrogen, and liquid nitrogen is very used for superconducting liquid, and its temperature is minus 196 Kelvin, which is very cold, and it vaporized easily in vacuum. And he takes a magnet in surface of liquid nitrogen, and down the bottom it contain copper metal, and where T is less than TC. And in the north phenomenon, due to the magnetic plate, it will levitate due to the surface of liquid nitrogen, and it expelled its magnetic field and put in the beaker. Due to the north plate, it will repel always, which is we studied in further class, and in 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th. And an application of Meissner effect is like the current flows in any copper plate, it will always create a magnetic field, which is a common phenomenon. And application of Meissner effect, it is in Japan 2007. Due to Meissner effect, they will by the help of this mechanism, the technology of bullet train is introduced to the whole world, which was like the huge miracle to the transportation technology. And today's in this era, the technology which is comes in to the world, which is transportation, is very easily, like the time is very precious for us. By the use of bullet train, we can cover the large distance in less time. And this is a magnetic field circle, where the magnetic field is passed from north to south, and north to south it contains the magnetic field which is expelled very easily. Due to this phenomenon, bullet train is like the material beaker, and magnet is, you see the magnet which is passing it, and not passing the fully to the bottom, and metal is which is here. And due to the phenomenon of north pole, it will levitate in the air. So this is the application of Meissner effect, and it is very useful for us. So thank you, sir.